Okay, I got my mic working. Shh, recording. Anyway, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks. So you're going to want a slab. You can get any slab, I guess. But I like to do slash barrier and then chain and then anvil and a name tag and a villager and this. So then build like a couple hundred blocks up. Just kidding. And now we got villager torturing. Now this looks very cruel, doesn't it? Moving on. Now, if you get a name tag and you name it Jeb, I think that's the way to do it. Yes, it is. Then you get a rainbow sheep. So that's Jeb. And then also, if you name something this, it's not just dinner bone. I think it's just the cows though. I think I did it wrong. I forget how to use that command. I haven't played Minecraft for so long. Where's the cows? Oh, look, I found some don't ignore that. Some cows. Yep. I think that might have gotten, like, removed. We'll try one more time. I think it maybe is all with the cows. No, it's not. I don't know how do you do that. But if we get a I've been playing so much Gary's mod. I forget how to play Minecraft. Like it's that bad. Like yeah, like bro. So if we get some bunnies, you see their normal like brown ones and stuff. Well, if you name one, I think it was Pancake, I believe. I believe it was pancake. What was it, anyways? Well, I don't really know. So, those are some tricks that you can do at home. At home. Get out of there. You're free to go. Oh my goodness. Get over here, dummy. Nerd. You know what? Okay. Now, next thing you can do is trying to remember how to do it. I do know it works. Okay. So, oh my goodness, I keep trying to push Q to open up my inventory. Oh, so sad. Now, get iron doors. I've never done this before. This is like, oh no, kind of failed. Like, this video kind of failed, you know? And, yeah, it kind of failed, so. If your friend isn't dumb enough to go in there, like, go tell him that he needs brain surgery. Oh, come on. So I need to make this quick. Okay, now we got diamonds in there. Now that is a trick that you can do. Now, I struggled a bit, so let's just go. Anyway, another thing that you could do, I'm sure everybody knows that if you're like an OG player, I guess. But this is kind of for like new players. Yeah. So, I have another one for like building. If you get like logs, I'm just putting down my favorite color. You can do any color. So if you put one here, one here, one here, one here, here, one here, like that, then it looks nice. So then you do the opposite. I meant do the opposite. And then that's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm not gonna make you watch me build a ton. No, this is a tips and tricks video. This is not for like, oh yeah, get that out of my way. Anyway, we got, oh yes, get out of here. Yeah, nerd, 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 nerd. I'm not gonna make you watch me kill a bunch of mobs and stuff. Trust me, guys, I'm not like this in actual, like when I'm actually just playing by myself. But for YouTube video purposes, I'm just gonna stop here. If you want to see more video, if you have any more video ideas on what I could do, you could do that. We're not doing any face reveal anytime soon, but if you have any other ideas on what videos you want to watch, oh, come on. If you have any more video ideas, any video ideas in Minecraft or any, any, any free game basically, just drop it in the comments on what you want me to do next. And also, I don't have access to mods. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the next video.